In this video, we are going to see and resolve the issue that whenever you're trying to connect with the Ethernet or any kind of Wi-Fi network, it is not showing that particular Wi-Fi in the list of networks. So how we can resolve that? Let's see. So first of all, what you can try is get in the range of the Wi-Fi network. So just try to bring your laptop or PC closer so that way it might show up. And also make sure that the Wi-Fi is properly working and it's properly connected. You can also try connecting it with Ethernet or just makes a couple of changes and then try to restart the computer. But if these basic issues are not there, but still you are unable to connect or see your Wi-Fi network, here's a couple of things that you can try. So first of all, what you can do is just open up the start menu and right here settings. As you see this settings, go in here. And on the left hand side, we have the network and internet option. Click on that. And right at the bottom in this option, we have advanced network settings. Just go in here. And what you can do is just click on the network reset from here. It says your PC will be restarted. This will remove then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. You might need to reinstall the networking software afterwards, such as VPN client or virtual switches. So this is a little message that if you want to make sure, you can just click continue and click on reset now. So click on reset now, click yes. And after that, it will show you this quick message that the Windows will shut down in 5 minutes and it will start it again on this particular date and this particular time. So after that, just close out of here and you can manually just restart your computer. Let me just restart this. And after that, just log in into the system again. And afterwards, just wait for a moment until all the system icons or system tree functionality works and loads. After that, you can just try connecting to your required Wi-Fi and that should work for you. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.